This is your foundation. How to successfully grow your wedding business. Weddings Made Simple.
Let's talk now about color space. You can think about color space in terms of the workable, recordable ranges within the visible spectrum of color that certain tools and cameras can record. Do you remember that color spectrum chart from science class where it's got the X-rays and the UV rays and the visible spectrum and then the infrared rays? Well, a group of scientists mapped the visible spectrum on a 2D plane, and they call it the CIE chromaticity diagram. CIE refers to that group of scientists.
Which sounds intimidating, but just hold on, we'll explain.
So this essentially gives us a plot of the visible colors that the human eye can see. Here is Rec. 709, which is the standard deliverable for SDR imaging. This is congruent with the photo editing space called sRGB. So within the visible spectrum, this is what Rec. 709 can capture. Let's take a look at Rec. 2020, which is the standard for HDR. Here's the P3 color space, which is the standard space for digital projection, and it's the same color space that this Apple computer sees.
So, by the way, if you made it this far, congratulations. You're more of a nerd. However, there is some actual importance and real practicality to this knowledge. These charts that you see that look very daunting, the color gradients have up, almost like when you see a stock trader and he has all these different graphs and you're like, oh my gosh, what is he doing? The understanding becomes a lot clearer of what they are and how to read them when you understand these principles.
And it will help you color your footage more accurately.
Doing your due diligence and doing the homework is well worth it because in the production of weddings, trying to keep up with all the edits can become exhausting. And many times, even with your best efforts put forward, you're still gonna end up at sometimes just getting behind, honestly. So having this knowledge and being able to do these things appropriately the first time and quickly will save you loads of time in the future. Do a little bit of research now, do your time now, and you will save lots of time in the future, I promise.